In this video, we're continuing with Chapter 6 notes. This is Section 6.3, Part B. And in the previous video, we were talking about the relationship between an inscribed angle and its intercepted arc. So over here, this is my inscribed angle. Inscribed angle. Okay, we notice its vertex is on the circle. We're always looking for where the vertex of the angle is. This is on the circle. So we know that the inscribed angle is half of the intercepted arc. So if I go from the angle, notice if I travel out this way, this space here, it's getting wider. So we're going from a single point out here to this big arc. So we're multiplying by 2. So we're going from 60 to 120. All right, same thing here. Here's my inscribed angle. This angle is 90 degrees. So as I travel out to the arc, I'm multiplying by 2 to get an arc that's 180. All right, and then over here, this angle is 16.24. Again, I'm traveling out to the big arc. Well, it's not so big in this case, but it's larger than the angle at any rate. So now we're going to multiply by 2. So this arc is going to be 32.48. All right, and then if we went the other way, if we knew the arc and we were going back to the angle, then we would divide by 2. So let's go ahead and take a look at example 1 here. And normally I will look at my picture and I'll decide, well, what can I find right away? Sometimes it'll help me, most times it'll help me, and sometimes it may not, but it's good information to have. So I can see that this circle is broken up into 3 different arcs. I have arc YW, I have arc WX, and then I have arc XY. And these 3 arcs make up the whole circle, so I know that they have to add up to 360. So since I know what these 2 arcs are, I can find the measure of arc XY by subtracting the 2 arcs that I have from 360. So 360 minus 115 minus 65, and that's going to give us 180. Okay, so this arc here is 180 degrees. So I like to use a visual here. Since I'm going from this intercepted arc into this smaller space here, I'm going to divide by 2 to get the angle there, which means angle W has to be 90 degrees. All right, if you have any questions about that, make sure you get some help, and we will see you in the next video talking about example C.